The start of day 2 and we're going to stain the bench. This is going to be the first coat. I don't need to sand anything down because obviously nothing was there in the first place. I'm going to do the underside first because that makes it easier then to tip it upside down or the right way up, and then do the top and then just leave that to dry in the sun because it's glorious weather right now. It shouldn't take too long for it to dry. Okay, first coat is down. I'll leave it to dry out in the sun, get it sanded down a bit more, and then put the second coat on. Here's the finished product next to the table. Off camera what I did was I sanded the bench down again with a 120 grit and a 220 grit sandpaper, and then applied a second coat of the polyurethane and stain combination, and I think it turns out really nicely. So I'm very pleased, so I think I win Sunday. As an added bonus, I also cleaned the grill, which means that we can start having barbecue events. I am going to build a second bench, which means that we can have more than 3 people sitting at the table. If I've got the time and inclination, I am going to build a couple of 2-person benches as well for each end, and that means we can have about 8 people sitting around the table, which should be good. And I know people are still fretting about where I'm going to put the hole in the table. I think I may have lucked out by the offset of the long brace being slightly off center, which means that when I drop the hole through the table and put the umbrella through, then I'm going to narrowly miss it. So I think we were okay. All in all, very pleased with the way this turned out.